Welcome to another Duel Arena demo video. Today I'm going to show you about the utilities of the game and the things you can do in game. We are also going to showcase a little battle system, and here's the skilling. I want to set my skilling right in order to defeat Didi, which is my opponent. I can also see the range of the skills in the white spot. I'm making sure that I have the right combination in order to defeat her. So I'm taking my time and reading all the descriptions. So we have to look for a match in order to battle each other. It can be random, guys. Once the battle has started, we can use our combination against each other and see which one is more tactical. I'm able to walk and face a direction and also use a skill in each battle phase. The bar below the HP is the armor bar, and I'm trying to nullify that. Also, I'm freezing her so she can't do anything in this round. The best solution was to knock her back because I want to keep my distance. At this point I became really desperate because she came so close, so I used my insane damage attack, which I saved just in case. Oh my god, I am frozen now, or feared, I don't know. She probably had that as a counter. But let's move on. And yes guys, I won. I didn't get defeated by Didi. I think it's wise to use my funds to buy a rod and then go fish. This fisherman sells all the equipment I need to fish. Not only do I need a rod, but I would also need some bait. Oh snap guys, I realized something. I already had a rod, so let me bank this current one. The reason why I do this is to save me some slots while I go fishing. That's important because I need the slots. Right now I was ready to go and fish for real. I'm using the rudder to see where I can fish. The bubbles made me think that something was going on there, so I decided to throw my rod there. Now let's be patient. And I was right, I catched the herring fish, but it was uncooked, so I had to cook him. I remembered the fireplace at the spawn, so I went there to try to cook them there. So I have to wait patiently now for the fish to cook. After taking the fish, I decided to sell them back to the fisherman for some fisher stones. I know I can sell those for NFTs at the party jester, and that's what I'm going to do. Basically, that's all there is right now in the game, because it's still in its beta. But thanks for watching, guys.